What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Gufran and you're watching the MBA grad in Germany. So in today's video, I will be talking about what is a Europass CV. So as you know, in India we have different formats for our curriculum vitae or resume, but in Germany there is a specific format that is called as a Europass format. So in today's video, I will show you how to make a Europass CV considering your application process in Germany, because this is an important document when you apply to different university in Germany, and many universities in Germany require this document as it is a mandatory component of your application process. So without further delay, let's start with today's video. This video is all about how to make a Europass CV. So see, in India we have a regular CV, like you can use any template for our CV and we can apply it to different companies or universities based on that. But when we are applying to Europe, particularly to Germany, then we need a Europass CV. It's mandatory that our CV should be in this particular format. So today I'll guide you how to make a Europass CV. So for this, there is an online website of Europass where you can make your Europass CV on this website. So without further delay, let's start with today's video. So as you can see here, it's written curriculum vitae for Europass. So just click on this website. Now you should check that this logo is there, because this is the, you can say, official website where you can make the Europass CV. So you just see if this logo is there. I'll accept this. Now what you have to do is that you have three options: create your CV and cover letter online, or you can update your CV already made from this website, or you can see examples. Okay, so we'll create your CV and cover letter from you. Click on this website on the first link. So this new tab will open over here. Okay, so this tab is now open. So here it's written online editor for your CV. Now see, what you have to do, you have to fill on the personal information over here. Just click on this option, fill in. You have to fill this personal details and automatically it will be added to your template. So you have to fill all of these things. You just have to click save over here. Then after that, the most important thing about Europass CV is you have to add your personal photo. So you can add the photo from here, and your personal photo that is a professional photo with suit. So okay, that is important thing about Europass CV. Then you can type over here is type of application. So here you can write why are you applying. You can write over there, I'm applying for postgraduate studies or master studies. Then down over here you can fill out your work experience. You can write your latest experience, then your internships in the similar order. Below that it's education and training. So you have to fill all your education details from the first, you have to put your bachelor's detail, then you have to put your 12th, then 10th, in the reverse order. You'll have to write this also, personal skills, then your mother tongue, all these details over here, organizational skills, managerial skills, job related skills, digital skills, etc. Now furthermore, what you can do is you can also add this additional information from here, from the left side. You can add additional information. So yeah, as you can see, this new page is open. So in additional information, what you can add your paper publications, you can add your projects. Okay, these things you can add over here. You just have to type or search from this list. Like they have, like select from the list, and you have to write this description over here is provided, right? See, you can select from your whatever courses or awards or citations or like whatever projects publications you have attended, you can write over here. Just select this additional information tab and you can fill out all the things over here. Okay, and even what you can do is you can import a file from your, yeah, like your previous CV which you have made from this website. You can import and make changes also, so similar thing can be also possible. So this is how you can make your Europass CV from this website. Next thing is what I would say is from here it's written options logo. Just click over here and you have to turn this off, Europass logo, so that this logo will not come on your curriculum white. This, otherwise what will happen, this logo will be there on your CV, and yeah, so you should remove that from here. So what you can do, if you want to know about how your CV will look like, for that you can take some examples from here. So just click on example. Down here you can scroll. These are about various countries and various languages. So yeah, you can scroll till down. Here you can see United Kingdom. So this resume will be in English. So click on this first template. Yes, so this page is now open. So see, this is a sample template. You can take idea from this. Here's all the personal information, job applied for. So as you are, if you are the candidate, you should write applied for postgraduate program or applied for master studies over here. Then similarly for experience, then internships, educational training, you can take an idea from here. So this is how your CV should look like. And another thing is, as I told you earlier, you should remove this logo from here, add a personal professional photo over here or in this side, and yeah, you're good to go then. So this is all about the Europass CV. I hope you have got a fair idea about how it looks like. So if you have any doubts regarding Europass CV, just comment below. In the comment section, I'll get your doubts resolved. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel. I hope you are liking my videos. If you have not seen my previous videos, I have made a bunch of videos regarding the application process. So if you watch that videos, I don't think you require any consultant from outside to fill out your application. You can apply by your own. Just see my videos and I have given everything about applying to universities in Germany. So till then, hopefully you are doing good and have a nice day. Bye bye.